came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands.
Hey guys, welcome back. Got the engine out of the Cherokee a couple weekends ago. Got the engine out of the Scrambler. We're going to be cleaning that up next weekend, cleaning the body, making sure there's no big rust on it. It's full of oil and mud, and I just want to get it clean before I put it back together. So as you can see, we got it completely tore down. Everything's out of it. I'm gonna get the gas tank out of it and put the pump in the tank. We got the engine tore down off of the Cherokee, 2001 Cherokee OBD2. Hopefully the harness will be back next week. Chris has that at Hotwire Auto. So here's all the stuff off of the engine. The only thing out of that pile I'm gonna use is the catalytic converters and manifold. But as you can see, this thing is dirty, so we're gonna go thoroughly clean this. And wasn't making any noise. Also, you know, getting like 22 miles a gallon out of it in that Cherokee. The Scrambler has 14 gears in it, and I'm gonna put the AW4 in the Scrambler with the 4-liter. I've got it disassembled so I can clean the engine, put it on the engine stand. So anyway, this is a never-ending leak of antifreeze. I don't know if you guys ever pulled a motor, but God, it seems like these things hold like 15 gallons of antifreeze. Every time I move it, there's more antifreeze coming out of it. But it's pretty greasy, nasty. Looks like it had a head put on it at one time. Might have overheated. There's supposed to be, right in here, there's supposed to be a piece of solder that will melt out. But yeah. These things are famous for overheating in the Cherokees because the radiator is inadequate for a Cherokee. So, well, we got a big project ahead of us. So, like I said, next weekend we're going to be cleaning this thing and getting it all squared away. I'm going to paint the firewall Patriot Blue because that's a color I like on my old 02 TJ, and big fan of that. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the firewall. I have a friend of mine going to go ahead and paint the Jeep for me once I get it all running. So anyway, yeah, so we got a big mess to clean up and a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna be making a video on this. I probably should have taken more video than what I did. Did get some video from pulling the harness and stuff out of the Cherokee, and a little bit of video pulling the engine out of the Cherokee. I'll go ahead and link that into this video for you guys to watch. But we're getting there. It's going to be a long haul, but I'd say probably in December I'll have it running, hopefully. So anyway, thanks for watching. I really appreciate y'all coming back and checking out my progress. If you like what you're watching, please like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you know when I put out new videos. So anyway, have a nice one. I hope you had a good weekend.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.